me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange.
Guys, malapit na kami. Layo na ng field trip.
So quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies.
Puro ganyan na pala yung mga picture nyo sa kape. Nagkape lang pala kayo sa Armenia.
Nag-ano, coffee hopping.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days.
Good morning! Bili lang kami sa Landmark ng breakfast. Ayan, and water. So, ayun, punta kami sa Dubai Island Beach. Breakfast at the beach.
Minsan, pinapa-order ko si mama na waiting. Tapos kakain kami pag morning. Hindi kasi siya available pag gabi. Knock, knock!
Kaya na nila yan.
Oh, see?
Wait!
Wakey, wakey.
So guys, nakapag-allow na kami. Later, punta kami sa sine naman. Manunod kami nung Hello Love. Hello Love again ba?
Hello, love again.
Daan-daan, di! Ayoko madumihan. May number na binigay sa si ate. Ba't sa akin yun? Or
Ito na yun, save na tayo.
so, ayun na ang aming food. Itadakimasu! Let's eat!
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you?
Sabi mo?
Maganda po yung movie na kakayo po. Galing-galing po ni na Aldo nag-get-trip. Ulit-ulitin ko po.
Sabi! Ang ganda ng movie. Unexpected namatay si Alden. Ang gano'n.
Grabe ka mabid.
Huwag ka mag-spoil.
Ay, sorry.
10:40 in the evening.
10:40 na?
20 minutes before 11.
OMG. Sila may mga pasok pa. As a person na bakasyon. Vacationista.
No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind if all that you say is not true. Oh, I don't mind.
Look at this, guys. Yummers. Isda naman ang sunod.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. beat the chest, can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it get too shy. It's just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet.